And we are back to your Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. We'll talk about gig economy jobs, driving jobs, finding routes, passive income, starting a business, all type of income to get you out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. Sherwin Williams has a opportunity for you truck drivers, you big riggers, strong riggers. Requirements: CDLA, 25 years old, 2 years of tractor trailer experience, and hazmat 5 years preferred. So this program is going to pay you up to $241,000 annual for owner operator. So you have to subtract fuel, subtract truck and maintenance costs from that pay. Surcharges, 2,000 a month, sign-on bonuses, and weekly settlements direct deposit. Flexible schedules, we all know it's not really that flexible if you're doing a dedicated route, but you long haulers, you over to roaders with your CDLA. This is not good for box trucks or vans. They want CDLA drivers, so the large tractor trailers is what they are looking for. So you're a CTS owner operator. Get started, apply, and talk to the recruiter. So if you're looking for a driving position as a owner operator, Sherwin Williams will keep you rolling and keep you in the money. All right. So just want to give you guys and show you guys about all the opportunities that there's partnering with these big companies. You can be a small little dog, start your business small, but partnering with these larger brands, larger organizations, large corporations will get you dedicated routes easier, faster, and make you a lot of money and get your business booming, guys. All right. So if you are a truck driver looking for owner operator position, hit up Sherwin Williams. I'm going to leave a link to this website in the description below. All right. Later, be on boss.